to solve that problem, that little problem you have, and uzobona your whole world coming. By you guys coming here, you are solving a problem. And then now you're so lucky for you, I need writers and I need directors. You understand? I've got another big show that's coming up. I'm gonna need writers, I'm gonna need directors, and I'm gonna need performers. So you understand, Guti, by you coming here, you are solving a problem, and it's gonna turn into a bigger solution. It depends on if it's luck. But I was solving a problem, and then the solution was Gang of Instrumentals, and it opened up to something else. You know, it opened up to a world that I didn't even know. I didn't even know that you can create a song and someone can pay you millions for it. Just the track.